Hey guys, welcome back to another Traveling Shoes video. Casey Shoe here with Shoe Dog. And we're at Blizzard Beach today. We just got here. We've been walking around the entire park for a couple minutes trying to find a place to put down our stuff. And once we do that, we'll go from there. So let's try and find a place. We're currently going through this tunnel. I don't be too obsessed with it. Alright, into the lazy river we go. It's a little chilly, but we made it into the lazy river. What? I said it's a little chilly, but we made it in. How long do you think we were in here? 20 minutes? 20 minutes and it was packed. Yeah. So the tunnel, waterfall fell on us all, and now we're getting out because it's still just crowded. We might go try and get on the slide, but we'll see what that line looks like. We chose not to do the chairlift, and we're walking up the mountain to go. Alright, well maybe we'll go do that then. What were the other things, did it say?
You're not tall enough for
Summit Plummet!
Slush Gusher's out.
Slush Gusher's closed right now, but we're going up to Summit Plummet, and this will be crazy.
Going first,
And then I'll record you. You come down.
alright.
Down. Stay cross. Lean back. Lean back. Lean back.
Lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back!
Oh.
You want to go?
We'll go back.
Okay.
Hello, how are you?
I'm gonna have you hold on to your glasses for me.
Yeah. Made it.
Did it though.
That was crazy. What'd you think of that?
That was incredible.
Ooh, I'm shaking. Alright, we're heading back up again. I don't know which slide we're looking to do next, but there's at least Steamboat Springs to go check out. So that's alright. 30-minute wait's nothing. Runoff Rapids. We decided to do this. It looks like the line's not nearly as long.
Hello. How are you doing?
Good. Sweet. Here we go! Ha-ha! Woo! Whoa! Holy! Woo! Woo! Pretty relaxing, actually. Woo! Oops! Got a little wet. We got a little wet. Woo! Like a good, like, that was a solid slide. That was like a 6 out of 10 for you. 7. What'd you think? Yeah, you did. Thank you.
Careful of the strong current. Have a great ride.
We did 3 slides, walking up that hill 3 separate times. We did Summit Plummet first, followed by those Runoff Rapids, and then we finished it off with the Toboggan Racers. We're heading now over to the kiddie area, back where our stuff was, dry off. Check out what time it was. It's pretty busy, and I'm getting pretty hungry. What we can get next. Made it back to the spot. It's about 2:30. We're just kind of hanging out. It's a beautiful blue sunny sky. All right, Chris.
Hey.
Out of the slides we went on today, which one were you the most excited for?
Actually the Toboggan Racers. I thought it was just kind of a cool thing with turns, and it was awesome. It was way faster than I thought it would be.
Yeah? Which one surprised you the most?
The Toboggan Racers.
It surprised you the most?
Yeah.
Kind of took you, it was a little faster than I expected too. And
I was a little surprised though with Summit Plummet as far as like when we were walking up, like how high we actually were.
Yeah, it definitely feels like you're higher than everything else.
Even we were looking at Everest, I'm like, we might be higher than Everest.
I think we were, which was awesome.
Which is cool.
This was your first time here?
Yeah, first time here, and I mean, I definitely like it a lot. I would come back again for sure. Like
Well,
I love water slides though, so like doing Summit Plummet was awesome, Toboggan was awesome, and the Lazy River was pretty good. I mean, it wasn't like,
I felt like it's really long.
yeah, it's long. It was like 20 minutes, and it was pretty crowded today. So I'd like to come back and do that again on a different day when it might be less crowded.
Agreed.
But
I like all the little gimmicks on the Lazy River with the guy with Santa sneezing.
yeah, that was pretty fun.
Guy got soaked.
Water on us. Yeah,
But-
it was pretty busy today though, because we had a hard time finding our chairs.
Oh
and
my goodness, that was crazy.
everything had lines. And
Yeah.
we couldn't do the chairlift because the line was like 45 minutes. Just
Yeah,
to
the
get off
chairlift line right now is 45 minutes. The longest line for a slide is 30.
Yeah.
So,
So if you want to do the chairlift, it's like an hour and 15 minutes just to do one slide. If you want to do the chairlift and a slide.
if everything's correct.
Yeah.
But
I mean, generally though, we walked up there a few times. We did a few slides. They were all really fun slides. I mean, like I said, I really had a good time.
perfect. It's a great perk for those coming into the resort today, and those of us that have got the water park and more. So thanks for joining us today. So we're walking out of the water park, and I just wanted to point this out. You can still get your souvenir cup, beer mug, and then get a discount on those beer refills. You can get it at kind of place like this. This is one of those refreshment stands, like Frostbite Freddy's. Tucked away over there is that little Blizzard Beach sign. To our right is the Wada Wada Lodge, which is the quick service, and then we have the beach house. That's where you get all your merchandise and everything. One little crocodile guy here. And there's the exit, almost there.
Bye now, slowly.
It's closed. The sales office is closed. Cool. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. That was another Traveling Shus video. We jetted all over that water park. We rode 3 different slides. We tried our darndest to find a spot. It took us about 15 minutes, but it was a fantastic Friday afternoon. I think now we're walking out to the car and heading home and getting some lunch. So thank you guys again so much. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and let us know in the chat if there's something that you really enjoyed and what slide you want to go down when you come down here and check it out. Traveling Shus out. Are you ready, Freddy? I think so.